New Delhi and Moscow on Thursday agreed to jointly construct 12 nuclear power blocks in India in the next 2 decades. Attending the annual Indo-Russia summit in capital New Delhi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and visiting Russian President Vladimir Putin also vowed to further expand the bilateral ties.
Russian President Vladimir Putin met Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in capital New Delhi on Thursday during his one-day visit to the country. The Indian Prime Minister said the two countries have time-tested relationship. He further reiterated that Russia will continue to remain its most important defense partner. The two countries signed 16 deals in areas including nuclear energy, hydrocarbon, medical research, trade and increasing people-to-people contact. Modi also lauded the contribution of Moscow in India's power sector, especially in civil nuclear energy.
The first unit of the Kudankulam nuclear power plant is on stream. It has added 20% of the existing capacity for nuclear power in India. We are on course for installing the next 3 units of 1,000 megawatt each. Today, we have outlined an ambitious vision for nuclear energy of at least 10 more reactors.
Prime Minister Modi, who advocated the campaign for Make in India, said Russia will begin manufacturing one of its most sophisticated aircrafts in his country.
I am pleased that Russia has offered to fully manufacture in India one of its most advanced helicopters. It also includes the possibility of exports from India. I also propose that Russia should locate manufacturing facilities in India for spares and components for Russian defense equipment in India. He responded very positively to my request.
President Putin said the two countries have great potential to work together in the field of hydrocarbon. India is the third biggest exporter of petroleum products, while Russia has one of the largest hydrocarbon reserves. The two leaders also attended the World Diamond Conference in the Indian capital. The two countries have also entered into a deal to facilitate the delivery of rough diamonds to Indian firms from Russia. India is the world leader in diamond polishing, while Russia is one of its biggest miners. The Russian president also met Indian business leaders later in the day on enhancing trade cooperation. He is also scheduled to meet his Indian counterpart Pranab Mukherjee before concluding his trip.